friends, we are happy to be back with another informative unit. If you want to add more to your knowledge of power system, this is what you want to follow. Before starting with our unit 2, please make sure that you have watched and completed the first unit. That way, you will be very much comfortable with the content of unit 2. Welcome friends to our unit 2, which is generating stations. Our dependence on electric energy increases as much as the standards of living increases, and that way we are required to provide bulk electric power economically for domestic and commercial purposes, and that is achieved through generating stations or power plants. When we are talking about power plants or generating station, we have to consider the following 2 points. The first one would be that more power to be achieved using lesser source of energy, and the second point would be to get more reliable, cheap and continuous generation of electrical energy. So what is generating stations? The place where a huge amount of electrical energy is produced by conversion of one source of energy into another source of energy is called power plant or generating station. So now that we know what we will be covering in our unit 2, which are all about generating stations, and there will be different kind of generating station or power plants. So the first generating station or power plant we want to cover is steam or thermal power plant. So now let's have a look on the content of this video and what we will be covering under the topic of steam or thermal power plant. So introduction, thermal station, schematic arrangement, choice of site, efficiency of steam or thermal energy, and the equipment used. So what is steam or thermal power station? And the station where the heat energy is converted into electrical energy is called steam or thermal power station. The steam power station works on the principle of Rankine cycle. In Rankine cycle, by providing essential arrangement, the boiler is used to produce steam by utilizing heat of coal combustion. The steam needs to be expanded in prime mover, which is steam turbine or a steam engine, and is condensed in the condenser and then feed back to the boiler. The steam turbine will drive the alternator and convert the mechanical energy to electrical energy. So that is Rankine cycle. Now let's jump up to advantages and disadvantages of steam generating stations. So the advantages are: fuel is cheap, less initial cost, less space is required for generation of electrical energy, and the running cost or generation cost is less. It's not good for environment because it produces very much carbon dioxide, and which is not good for the environment. It produces fog and high running cost as compared to electrical energy generated by hydroelectric power. Schematic arrangement of steam power stations. The whole arrangement in steam power station is divided into 6 parts. A. Coal and ash handling, steam generating plant, steam turbine, alternator, feed water, cooling arrangement. And this is the schematic diagram of a steam or thermal power plant. And that brings us to the end of this video. In our next video, we will get into details of each and every part of a schematic diagram of our thermal power generation. So friends, please stay tuned for our next video. See you in the next video. Bye.